Click fit the indicator onto the watering pipe. Fix this assembly to the divider disc tightly. Ensure that all the fittings are tightly fixed. Place this complete assembly inside the Greena pot. Rotate the direction of the watering pipe towards the edges of the planter for easy watering. Ensure that the cap is closed during the potting because no mud should go inside the watering pipe. Empty a packet of ECA onto the divider disc. These clay stones help in better filtration of water to reservoir and also promotes aeration. Put little soil on top of it. Now you can place the plant. Rest of the area can be covered with media. Pour a little water directly into the soil and the pot is ready. For initial 4 weeks, water directly into the soil, not to use the reservoir. Maintain the water level at minimum. No overwatering. Overwatering will cause wet feet. During this period, plant acquires the initial growth with fresh roots and holds grip in the soil. After 4 weeks, start watering through the watering pipe. On the indicator, maximum level shows the maximum water that can be saved in the reservoir. Minimum level shows time to refill the water.